Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I'll show you how I cook beef liver. These are the ingredients and I'll list them in the description. I've already rinsed the liver with some cold water, then strip it, cutting it into smaller pieces, then season it with some powdered seasoning, then add our freshly chopped seasoning. Give it a stir. I let it marinate for a few minutes, then add it to the hot oil in a pot. Add some tomato ketchup, some browning, some hot water, then stir. Allow it to cook for 10 minutes because liver cook fast. This is it. Liver is ready. It's tender and delicious. Try this recipe.